Hello everyone. Good morning. Kabalo mo, na-change na akong body clock because of thesis. Okay. Kabalo mo, in this April, the whole month, kay change kit. Holistically, akong body clock. Gamatan ako 11 to 1 in the morning. Yeah. 11 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. And then, karon, the dilemma is this. Nakoy class in the morning. And so the problem, I am forcing myself to wake up sa time nagatulog pa akong lawas. So I was like, so ano gagawin? Lisod kayo ibangon. Pero wala tayong mahimo, diba? One class naman ako. Kaya ang isa sa afternoon is supposedly online na pero di siya madayon kaya na meeting. And then, to, for sure after this kay uli jud ko tulog. Anak jud na ang may tabo. Good luck na lang sa ako later kay in that one subject duha ang activities. Mahals ako ag Arsha. Di na sponsor Charis.
Hi! So, mao niya itong look today. And you can see, nakabag ko. It's usually, dili ko gabag. Kasi lingon ko, pero wala pa nalaban akong bag. So, kini na lang. Eh, kung dili man ko magbag, dalon ako, kamuton ako bit-bit ang wallet, ang ballpen, ang cellphone, everything.
Ilan pang uwi?
Are you ready to rumble?
Mga around 11 p.m.
Ako natulog ko alas 3, hindi ko patulog. Nakatulog ko mga alas 3 na.
Baka mata ko pero hindi na ko. Guys, naan mo rag something na marag high school vibe karon. Like, saan ka?
High
Sa
School
kanan?
Musical.
Ganon. Tingnan mo ko tayo.
Sa pula, sa puti.
Oo, ingana.
Si William.
Saan ka?
The goal of electoral system is to ensure inclusivity, representation, and accountability. Our group argued that this is not something tolerable. How does this compromises the principles of Hi guys, so mapanatapos among activity and one activity lang bito di mahapas. So that's Posay for A, that's Beauty, that's Melody, that's William. One activity lang muna human ron. Ano to TV?
Very extemporaneous speech.
Yes. Midway William, the 17 years old, and the Althea, my Marajaw Karajaw best. The Sirigan and Pride.
Jaon.
Mga jaon-jaon.
Sa tamat ka na, Jaw.
Yes. Sumaw na to guys. Inana ra kadali and di na siya dali. Inana ra kadali akong class karon kay one subject na lang mo. One subject ko karon, not for the whole sem. Okay, syempre napagyapon ko yung tayo and others, pero maura to akong giari. And that's my feet. Bye! Thank you for watching this very short day in my life. After this, magpundo na ako sa boarding house because I will focus na on my thesis preparation. So please watch po my thesis defense journey. Bye!